In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Wix Payments account step by step. Whether you're running an online store, offering services, or you simply want to accept payments directly on your Wix website, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Wix dashboard and go to the settings section of your website. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Accept Payments. Next, click on the Connect option next to Wix Payments. You'll now see different payment methods that Wix Payments supports. Take a moment to choose the payment options that make the most sense for your customers, then enable the toggles for those methods and click Continue. Once you've completed these steps, click on Complete Setup and choose your business type. If you're an individual or sole proprietor, select that option and enter your personal and business details. If you're operating as a company, partnership, or organization, choose the appropriate option and fill in both business and personal information. After that, enter your identification details, address, and bank information so Wix knows where to deposit your payments without any interruptions. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to set up your Wix Payments account easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.